Hello, I will demonstrate our execute engine and its functionalities. Yeah, let me start with design decisions and order flows. I choose the mock implementation. First, the user will submit the order through REST API. Then that order will put into the Boolean queue uh, because it can process multiple orders at the same time, which is more reliable. And then API will generate a unique order ID for that order. And it will the engine will simulate uh, DEX, that is radium and Metera prices. Then it will automatically compare which one is best, that is which one is higher, it will choose it and execute the order. Then the yeah next coming to the design. Yeah, this is my root file which start the server. Then the DB, which will insert the values into the Postgres. Then the Dex return, then queue, that is Boolean and queue. Then the test file, then Postman API collections. Yeah, then the README. Yeah, let me start the system with the practical. Start the server. Yeah, server has been started. Let me submit order through Postman. Yeah, that JSON body like token in and token out at the amount. Post. Yeah, it will respond with the unique order ID in the terminals. So we can see to generate a unique order ID and the radian price for that order and the Metera price for that order. And it will choose the best one. Like here, the Metera price is higher, so it will choose the best as Metera. And they execute that order and a hash ID will be generated. Now let me do with multiple orders. Yeah, again start the server. Yeah, server has been started. We'll send this order, this, 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 and this. Total five orders have been sent. I'll take this order ID, put it in the WebSocket address, and I will connect the WebSocket as the order will process very high, very fast, sorry, very fast. Uh, it will socket has been connected, and for that order, the status will be confirmed, and Dex, which Dex is chosen, then hash ID, then the executed price, then the status has been confirmed, then the WebSocket will be disconnected. Return like it process 5 hours at the same time. Then we will go to the test cases. We run the test cases. Now I have written around 11 test cases, which covers it should reject invalid order, it should accept and process a valid order, and should reject order with the missing fields. If anything, if any field is missed, it should reject the order. Then it should reject order with the negative amount, and it should queue multiple orders and process them concurrently. And it should persist order history in the database, and should provide real-time status updates via WebSocket. I should handle WebSocket and should handle socket disconnects gracefully and should return order for unknown order status and should reject orders with the same order ID. Should process 100 orders in 1 minute. And like all the test cases have been passed. Like all the orders to be stored in the post-read. Yeah, so it's done. Yeah, now the rows are increased. Mhm. Then come to deployment. I have deployed this app in Railway. Mm, yeah, I pasted the deployment level in the building. Yeah, that's it. Thank you.